Are you still struggling to grow lettuce at home? Most people make one critical mistake right from the start and wonder why their seedlings never thrive. Today, I'm going to show you how to grow and harvest lettuce on your balcony or in containers, step by step, so you never waste time or money again. Stick around because I'll reveal the secret trick to harvesting multiple times from the same plant, and it's easier than you think. First, let's talk varieties. There are many kinds of lettuce, but for home growing, choose the ones that are easy to manage and hardy. I'm using Italian lettuce in this guide because it's cold tolerant, fast growing, and perfect for multiple harvests. Start your seeds in small containers or shallow trays. Make sure the soil stays slightly moist. Too dry or too wet will hurt sprouting. Sprinkle seeds evenly, cover lightly with soil, and give them a gentle watering. Here's where most people mess up. They overcrowd seedlings or water incorrectly. Even spacing and consistent moisture are key. Within 3 days, you'll see tiny sprouts. By day 5 to 7, the seedlings will develop their first leaves. By day 12, they already start looking like small lettuce plants. By day 18 to 28, your seedlings will be ready to transplant. Use containers with at least 10 to 15 centimeters soil depth. Don't worry about having a huge pot. Lettuce has a shallow root system. Plant only a portion of your seedlings per pot, leaving space for leaves to spread. The secret is don't overcrowd. Plants grow faster and leaves develop more fully. I water once a day and sometimes add a tiny bit of organic fertilizer if needed. Keep them in bright light, but they don't need full sun. Too much heat or low light slows growth dramatically. Once your plants are established, the real fun begins. You don't harvest the whole plant. That's a rookie mistake. Instead, pick outer leaves first, leaving the center intact. This allows new leaves to continue growing, giving you multiple harvests from the same plant. Here's the game changer. Harvesting the right way extends the life of your lettuce by weeks. From my experience, after the first harvest, it only takes 13 to 15 days for new leaves to grow fully. And yes, they remain tender and delicious. By day 45 to 55, the leaves are lush and ready for the second round of picking. Always check the soil. Slightly loosen it if it's compacted and water consistently. Avoid letting the soil dry out or the leaves may turn bitter. Now let's talk containers. You don't need deep or giant pots. Small to medium pots work perfectly because lettuce roots are shallow. Even a 10 to 15 centimeter depth pot can yield a full plant. Positioning is critical. Plants need bright, consistent light. I noticed that even under strong artificial light, if it's not long enough, the leaves grow slower. For optimal growth, make sure light hits the leaves for several hours a day. Here's a tip most people ignore. Shallow root systems mean you can densely plant in vertical or balcony setups, saving space while still getting multiple harvests. Once you've harvested the first batch, watch the leaves regrow in just under 2 weeks. Repeat harvesting in waves, usually 5 to 6 harvests before the plant slows down. Avoid letting the leaves get old or yellow. Remove them immediately. Fertilize lightly after each harvest if needed, and water consistently. Keep pests away by checking leaves daily. Lettuce is hardy, but moisture and light are the keys to sweet, tender leaves. Remember, patience pays off. Your first harvest might seem small, but subsequent harvests will give more than enough for your home family. To recap, start with the right variety, give seeds proper spacing and moisture, transplant carefully into shallow containers, harvest outer leaves only, and maintain consistent light and watering. That's the secret to successful balcony or container lettuce gardening. If you want more advanced tips on growing vegetables at home, maximizing small spaces, and saving money on groceries, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be sharing even more home gardening secrets soon. Your lettuce garden can feed your family, look beautiful on your balcony, and give you a rewarding growing experience. So start today, follow these steps, and enjoy multiple harvests from your own home garden.